please feel free to contact us.
Today, we will show you the supply chains of Guangzhou Adto so that you will know more about the manufacture process and more product details.
Yeah, that's right. Today, Sarah and I will present the ceramic tiles family to you. Now, here we go.
We showed you the item just now. Now follow our camera. Let's go into the factory and show you the manufacturing process.
Alright, let's connect to our colleague in the factory. Let him show you the details of ceramic tiles.
Hello everyone, welcome to watch Adto Group live show again. This is Leo from Ceramic Tiles Department. Now, I want to introduce our famous and top sales products, polished tiles, to you. Polished tiles has three sizes. One is 600 by 600 millimeter. The second is 800 by 800 millimeter, and the third is 600 by 1 meter point 2 meters. And this is why it is famous and popular in the market. I think we have three advantages. The first one is the zero tolerance. The zero tolerance can protect any pollutions effectively. And the second is the fatalness. You can see the fatalness is very fat, and the parameter is less than 0.01%. And the third one, I think it's very strong tires. Even I take it and throw underground, it's never broken. This is our wooden tiles. You can see we have different kinds of styles and colors and different size. The wooden colors belong to the rustic tiles. All this whole is the rustic tiles. We have different kinds of colors and design, and all the design is 600 by 600 millimeter in this shop. Okay, the next I will let my colleague Bobo to introduce some promotional policies to you.
Hello, this is Bob from Adto, and now I would like to introduce our three special policy during the Canton fair. So the first one is anyone if enter our light show and equipment to sell to us, so you could get a $100 voucher, which means if you make order over $3,000 and you will get this one and could use anytime. The second policy is if you give any requirements during the Canton fair, you will get the voucher for $150. Also, you can use these times. The third one is if you may order over one container, you can get $300 voucher. Just not used in only for ceramic. Also, you can use for other products from Adto.
Well, we believe that you should be known as overviews of our product. Meanwhile, I can recommend more customer resource, more product resource, more channel resource, and project resource to you. Let your business do easily, sell more, earn more. As Adto principle, it is our mission to serve attentively and create more value for you.
Exactly. As a one-stop construction materials and equipment solution provider, Adto has more than 2,000 factories resources around the world, covering the whole construction materials and equipment industrial chain. All products are supplied by the factory, quality ensured, competitive price, delivery, service guarantee. So as for you, easy to do business. We promise once you buy any value products online from us during the Canton Fair, we promise to introduce equivalent distributors or projects to you in coming 2 years. Most importantly, we will share the customer market resources to you. And we serve a lot of builders, developers, engineering enterprises. We can introduce those resources to you and help you to bring in more customers, do more business, and make more money.
Otherwise, Adto has been exporting overseas for 15 years and has a strict risk control system which can guarantee the safety of your orders and capital. Correct is the most important thing in our company, so don't worry, cooperation with us. We will give the best service for you.
Are you excited? Don't miss the shot. Just contact our staff and place the order. Okay, that's it today. If you want to know more about product or this kind of Adto, please keep eyes on us. Let's see you next time. Bye.